What's Best for Kids is finally here. You're here, and I couldn't be more excited. I'm Mark Barnes from Times 10, and I want to tell you a little bit about this incredible event. We have for you 5 panels, amazing educators, experts in their fields, best-selling authors, presenters, and they're going to talk about some of the most important things heading back into a new school year after an extremely challenging year last year. You're going to be able to engage with these people, and that is really important because your voice matters. We're going to show you this incredible HopIn platform. I want to take you through it, tell you what you can do. Let's do this because everyone wants to do what's best for kids.
So here we are at What's Best for Kids on the HopIn platform. This is the reception area, and of course you can see everything you want to see over here. The main stage, which is where our sessions will be, that'll light up and say live. You'll be able to click into there. Networking. What if you want to meet someone? This is sort of like speed dating for educators at an event. You click join, and what's going to happen is the platform will actually pair you with someone else here. And then you can talk for a few minutes, get to know each other, and that's really a cool feature. You can jump into the expo area, and we'll have all kinds of things in here for you, more downloadable tools, really amazing. Over here on the stage and here at reception, you can look for other things. You want to see who's in the event? You can just check it out here, and you've got all of these people. And let's say that Erin Murphy, one of our speakers, is someone I want to get to know better. I can click in here. Follow her on her social channels. What if I want to schedule a meeting? I can do this as well. So there's all kinds of cool things. We're going to have our Twitter feed, Times 10 Publications. We'll be tweeting at the event. We're using hashtag What's Best for Kids. You'll see that all over. So there's so much to do here. The chat, of course, you can engage. When you want to comment, we might share your comment on the live broadcast, which is super cool. So this is it. HopIn's amazing. Get on the main stage when we're there live in our roundtable discussions. We've got 5 of them coming at you, and participate there, do some networking, jump into the expo, enjoy the event, make the most of it. Thanks for coming.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that brief video about the HopIn platform and all about what we're doing here at What's Best for Kids from Times 10 Publications. One thing I want to ask you to do, I want to challenge you, is to take everything you get from this event and put it into action. We're all about action here at Times 10 Publications. It isn't just books, it isn't just events like this and webinars and podcasts. It's action items for teachers and school leaders, and that's you. Take this stuff back with you. Tweet about it. Use hashtag What's Best for Kids if you like. Put it on your social channels. Tell your colleagues when you get there. You've got so many of those one things that you can do in this event, and we'll send you all of those after the event as well. Use them. Take them with you to school this year, and let's engage learners like never before. Our live event is up on the main stage soon. All roundtable discussions will be on the main stage. There'll be 15-minute breaks in between, and then you come back here. You can check out the expo, amazing stuff there, and then make sure you get back to the live stage for all 5 incredible sessions and all the takeaways, and take them with you because we all want to do what's best for kids. Thanks.